How to pin Instagram posts new update. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can pin a post on Instagram. Well, Instagram does not have this feature right now. Most of you will not have this feature, but do you know that soon we are going to have this feature, which is that we can actually pin our posts right here on our Instagram profiles. It's going to be coming really soon. So how this is going to happen? Well, we got an insight, and where we will get this option is that if we go to our profile right here, and in our profile, actually some of the people have this feature because it is still in testing phase right now. So what happens is that we will get the option right here when we open our picture on our profile, and then we have these three dots right here. We will click on the three dots, and then it will appear in this section right here where we find the option of archive, delete, edit, hide, like, count, turn off commenting. So here we will find the option of pin to the profile, and then that's the option. You will click on the option, and then that picture, that photo, that post will be pinned to your Instagram profile. So yeah guys, if I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.